This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. December 1st, 2008. We are looking at a market that is trading around 400 points below Friday's short session close. And I'd shown you some signs that this market was cracking at the seams, and that seems to be taking place right now. So the question now becomes, what's next? Is this just one day wonder, or are we going to see some increased downward pressure in the coming days? And remember, we don't have to go straight down every day, every moment, but the general trend now remains, are we going to be going lower over a couple of days, a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of weeks, or is this just a one-day rally or sell-off in the market that is going to find buyers and the markets creep up again? Now, even though I have three ideas for you today that I think you can take advantage of. It's the way I'm looking at this. This is very early. This is a fresh beginning of a new leg down. I don't know whether it takes us to new lows, but I see signs that this is not day one. This is not the end of it. So we're going to see increased pressure over the coming days. Probably the first 2 weeks of December, going to see some red in this market. Now, even though, like I said, I have three stock ideas for you at the end. They're all short ideas. This is just a chart for Citigroup. I don't know how Citigroup is going to survive as a stock, as a company. They might be all right down the road. But this stock, the way it's trading, the way it looks to me, is going to be seeing lower prices right now, trading at $7.25. I would assume it's going to take out recent lows under or around $3, somewhere around there. So my price target for Citigroup is around the $4, $3 area over the next couple of weeks or so. Now, one of the reasons why I do suspect that if I can get the reasons why I do suspect that this market is obviously going to be down today, because the Dow did move from trading above the 50-day on its daily RSI to trading below it today. So that guarantees a big down leg in this instrument. And by the way, it's very early. I don't see usually the best sell signal is when you break RSI support lows. That's the best sell signal. So what the market is doing is now retreating after finding resistance on this secondary RSI support length. I say secondary because this is not the main buy point is the blue line, which goes back to the highs, captures the RSI highs in mid 2007. So this is not even, had we moved above this breakout point here, it would have been a weak buy signal, because the main buy signal is right here with the blue line. And at any event, we are finding support on secondary RSI top lines. The best sell signal for this market is going to be when it moves below the RSI lows line. But for now, this is a nice entry point. Again, it's not going to be a straight down leg, but there's going to be increased pressure for this market to either find support here short term or crack, and you see us break these lows that we had on a daily closing basis around 7,500. So for the stock ideas I do have now, these are